how to get Black Myth Deluxe Edition for free. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser and search for high key coupons and open up this particular link. But I would recommend you to do it on your mobile device, as the process is quite simple on mobile as compared to PC or laptop. So let's see how it works. After opening up the website, simply search for Black Myth Wukong, or simply scroll down. Since this is a trending game, you would be able to find it over here. Open it up, and currently 861 coupons are left on here, and click on this option of show game code, and this is how it will appear. Click on unlock code and wait for it. It will show you some tasks that you need to complete. These tasks are easy to follow or complete, and after that you would get the code for it. Since we are doing it on PC or the laptop, these tasks are different as compared to the mobile. On mobile version, it would be better. You just have to download different games, and it would hardly take you 5 to 10 minutes to complete these tasks, and after that you can get the code quite easily. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.